the lead code contest second problem, find the smallest balance index. So here what given in the index problem is we have to find the index where the left part sum is equal to the right side product. Sum from the left side is equal to the product from the right side. Like here is index is 1. So if you can see that the right side sum is 2 and the left sum product is 2. So for this the smallest balance index is 1. So how we can find it in optimal way? One is brute force is you can check both left side sum and the right side product. But you can solve this in better way by checking pre-computing the sum and product. Sum is sum of I is equal to the sum of I plus 1, like prefix sum and suffix sum. In that way, sum of I is equal to sum of I minus 1 plus nums of I. Like this is the array. Then for this the sum is 2. For this the sum is the current value plus the previous sum. Current value is 1, previous sum is 2, that is 3. Same for this, the current value is 2 and the previous sum is 3, so 3 to 5. And this way we can compute the mm, total sum. So but the sum will be in the long because each element is 10 to the power 9 and we have the array size is 10 to the power 5. So the maximum sum possible is 10 to the power 14. So we need a long. So we will take the sum as a long, and also the suffix product we can compute. Suppose this is the each element can be 10 to the power 9 and the array size is 10 to the power 5. So the maximum product possible we cannot store in the long or any array, because this is the 10 to the power 9 to the power 10 to the power 5. So we cannot store this in any data structure, data type. So we need to think how we can do this in efficient. For that we need to think what is the maximum product sum possible, that is 10 to the power 14. Greater than this sum is never possible. So the product value must be less than or equal to this value, then can only the left side is equal to the right side. This is the sum maximum. Max sum is always less than 10 to the power 5. Then product is also less than 10 to the power, then when can only the both sum is equal, like both side is equal. If the product is greater than 10 to the power 14, like 10 to the power 15, then it will never matter, because this side is always less than 10 to the power 14. If your right side is becoming 10 to greater than 10 to the power 14, then never the value will be equal. So for value which is greater than 10 to the power 15, that value is not useful for us. So we will ignore those value which is greater than 10 to the power 15. But during the product, you cannot do the product of 10 to the power 5 into nums of I. Because if you do this, then it will become 10 to the power 24. You cannot store this value in long. So we need to think about how we can store. Either we can use this in this data structure, or we can do just checking if that value is greater than 10 to the power 5, then we will re-initialize that value to 1 10 to the power 5, or that value is less than 10 to the power 5, then we will use that value. If both value will become, if for each index we will check if their left side is equal to the right side, then we will return that index. We are using here one base indexing, that's why we are checking, returning the I minus 1. So the you can also use here in place of long int 128, because this stored the value of 10 to the power 38 maximum value, so that will give you the correct. You just need to, here is like how you need to check the maximum limit of the data. For the long you can only store 10 to the power 18, so you cannot use 10 to you cannot store 10 to the power 24, where the maximum value is coming 10 to the power 40 24. So you can use this solution.